Academy. I'm Weilie, and today we will be observing other people attacking the ring, and later I will be attacking the ring as well. So let's look at their opening. So red has chosen to move c2.5, and then black has chosen to move e3 plus 5, which is a very uncommon move. And then red has chosen to move h2 plus 3 as per normal attacking. And then for black, so he wants to move h8 plus 9, so I think he wants to move double side horse. And then red move up with r1.2, so this is a very good and standard opening. And now black has chosen to move r9 plus 1. Probably black will move c5 plus 4, but that is also not something that red will want to do as well, so it depends. Okay, so red has chosen to sacrifice speed for the piece's development. Now, after black has moved a4 plus 5, red continue to c5.1 to eat more pawns and attack the rook. So that's a nice one. Let's see whether red take the 7th pawn, let's see. So he didn't. And so black cannot allow that to happen, so he has moved a p3 plus 1. And then for red, he has moved h8 plus 9, so that he doesn't block off his cannon and horse connection. Now, black has moved h2 plus 3 to develop his pieces. And there's a free cannon, okay. So, well, uh, I yeah, so up to now, red just move r9.8 to catch the cannon and develop his piece, and black doesn't want to retreat and catch red's cannon, so red should just keep calm and move a4 plus 5. Now, black has moved c2.3 to escape from red, and now red just continue on to move r8 plus 7 to catch black's cannon. Now, black has chosen to move r4 plus 2. So if I'm red, I'll be happy because sooner or later I will be able to trade off everything, and that's it for black. Now red has chosen to move p1 plus 1 to slowly wait for black to implode. Okay, so black has chosen to move p3 plus 1. So right now, pause to think. Will you choose to move p7 plus 1 to eat the free pawn? If you have chosen to move p7 plus 1 to eat the free pawn, the black will say hello, good morning to you, and you will have to take back his cannon, and you will lose your red car. So what happened here is that for here, probably red can choose to move e5 plus 1, e5 plus 7, or probably have to just yeah, for me, yeah, cannot e5 plus 7, you will lose your thing. So no choice, I will just have to move forward, check him down, and then eat him. Oh, so he's just trading cannon for horse. And then after that, black continues on to move c6 plus 4, e3 plus 1. And then he check him. Okay, so let's see how will this turn out. What if I were to move back? 2, 4. c6 minus 4. And then with a r8 minus 5, and then he will just trade off the car, and this car is stuck for life. Okay, this is a nice play from Red. So, Red, he is a Chinese chess coach. So his online username is called 布局飞刀. So for those of you who are interested, you can comment in the YouTube comments, and then after that I will share with you his WeChat ID. Maybe I will move p7 plus 1, and then after that p7.6, and just strangulate his horse. Okay, come, let's quickly camp for this person. Come on, leave the table. Okay, never mind. I'll just help him. Aiya. Once you start, I will leave. Come on, just accept. Okay, good. So let's. Okay, can. I'm ready for him. And so for this ring leader, I think this is his first time guarding the ring. And now he has chosen to move c2.5 against my red favorites opening. So this is not a really nice variation for him because I can easily maintain my initiative. And now I'll just move r8 plus 4 to trade away the pieces. Okay, now I think I will just press his horse and that's it for him. No, I can't say that's it, but I will have a small advantage. Um, okay, I will just control him. Okay, and so right now, let's see how he will choose to develop his pieces. So just now, he has traded his cars for the price of my pawn, and luckily I have this slight advantage over him. Later on, I can move c6.7 to add pressure onto his horse and onto his elephant. Later on, once I move h6 plus 8, I will be able to move r8.5 to take a center pawn, and then slowly I can strangle all of his pawns, and slowly, I think I should be able to crush him. I think he has made a mistake. If I were to take him, he will take me. I will chase him. Take him, take me, rush him, move in here, take him, take him, take me, take him, take me. Okay, can. Maybe he'll p7 plus 1, but I'll still take his cannon first. Okay, so he will check me, I'll move up. And now because he wants to protect his center pawn, let me give him big trouble at this part. No, I shall be calm and I shall just attack him. He will die. If I were to do this, he'll move up, catch him. He come here, I move away. No. That's too slow. That's too slow. Okay, I shall just simply secure my more pawns advantage, and then after that just slowly, yeah. Hmm. Okay, I shall not give way to you. Okay, just let me chase his pawn all the way. Hmm. So let's see, will he continue to R+1 to block me or not? Ah, as expected. As expected. Okay, instead I shall do this. Yeah, it was a bad choice to let his 7 pawn come over. Okay, now my rook is free to move. Mm, So for me, I just need to move up. He will check me, move down. So let's see whether will he move c8 plus 3 to check me. Then I will move down my elephant. Hmm. He wants to pressurize. Hmm. Okay, bah. Then just trade it off. Later on, I can move k6.5 and c6 minus 2. So he thinks that he can trap me with a r4, r3 plus 1. Okay, so I'll just move in. Oh no, I'm lagging again. Hmm. Attack. Attack. Since he has no due regard for me, I shall also have no due regard for him. Let's not defend and attack him. He has to defend. I have more people than him. If he chooses not to defend, that's it for him. What an ugly win I have to do this. Oh, okay. So I nearly lost my cannon, but well. He will move p5 plus 1, but it's still the inevitable. Ah. Once you lose your pawn structure, that's it. It's time for me to show my attack on you. Okay. Hmm. Oh, my time is running out. I cannot. And so what does he want from me? Okay, so he's helping me to attack his own advisor. Thank you. Okay, he will just check me a few times to waste my time. I just need to last for another 1 minute 59 seconds. Okay, check. Thanks. I'll check you again. Let me think of how to secure this win. Maybe I have to check it from the middle. Oh no! What did I do? Okay, this is a bad move. Oh, what a blind move. What a blind move. Two double blinds. Okay, I'm so sorry that I'm not talking right now because it's a battle for life. And so he's going to do the same thing to me. Well played lah. Well played, well played. You're not going to get anything. You're going to die. Okay, come. Let me move here. Too bad, I'm faster than you. 7. I'm faster. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. That's it. And that's it. Okay. So with this, I think today is a very bad thing. So I will see you next time. Thank you.